No, hold on. I don't know how you get in. Or you just get in right there. That can't be right. I mean, it's got to be trails, right? Shit.
We're gonna go try a trail. It's behind the education center. That's closed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's super hot out.
You gotta try new things. I know nobody wants to.
I do.
You don't.
So what do you guys think so far?
I heard a frog.
You heard a frog? Give us the tour, Webbs. Oh boy, we could either go right or left. Which way do we go?
Let's go this way, because it goes down by the water. Where all the mosquitoes
Yeah, that's where we need to be. Sweet. What'd you think?
It was nice.
It was nice?
It would have been nicer to be by the water, but we don't have a good trail map, so Kimberly's over it.
There was no trail.
It was kind of a trail.
There was nothing to do here. It's hot. It's hot.